Hey, welcome back again, and in this video we will going to explain about what is the power of affiliate marketing, why you need to do affiliate marketing, and why this business profit than other business. So let's move on the computer.
So now we will going to explain what is the power of affiliate marketing and why you need to do only affiliate marketing as a internet marketer. So now you can see I have selected one product, it is launching soon, and now once you promote this product, what you need to do, select affiliate link and product your audience, whatever your audience you have, and once someone buy this product, just a minute, you will get 50% commission as a front end. Like if someone buy spend $47, you will get for $27 commission. But you can see here OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3 and OTO 4, you don't need to promote any kind of OTO with to your customer. Once only you can promote only front end offer, and once your audience bought your front end offer, after then your audience going to buy any OTO, like your audience spent $67 for upgrade and other feature, you will get automatically $47 commission. So like I am just calculating this, just a minute, 27 plus and next OTO, after then your one other audience, your other customer bought this OTO number 2, it is cost $97 and you will get 50%, approximately 50-60% commission, and like something plus $67 plus OT number 3 if your audience bought OT number 3, plus $67 and OT number 4, and it is $97. So you can see $285 commission you will get only one customer, but you need to promote only front end offer, and it is all back end offer, it is automatically promote that company, so you don't need to promote this. So this is the most power of affiliate marketing. So this reason you need to do affiliate marketing, you build your list and start doing affiliate marketing.
So I hope you understand about power of affiliate marketing, and I hope you going to learn inside yourself. And in the next video we will going to explain what is the blueprint you can follow and start affiliate marketing business. So thanks for watching. We will meet you another video.